Imagine walking through a beautiful garden filled with colorful flowers, sweet-smelling blossoms, and small fruits that look perfectly safe. Now imagine that touching one leaf could blister your skin, eating one berry could stop your heart, or standing beneath one tree during a rainstorm could leave you with severe chemical burns. Nature creates incredible beauty, but sometimes that beauty hides deadly secrets. Today, we're counting down 10 of the world's most dangerous plants, exploring the powerful toxins they contain, the fascinating history behind them, and why even experienced hikers and gardeners treat these plants with extreme caution. Let's begin. 10. Manchineel Tree. The world's most dangerous tree. Found along the beaches of the Caribbean, Central America, and southern Florida, the Manchineel tree has earned a reputation as one of the most dangerous trees on Earth. Early Spanish explorers reportedly nicknamed it the Little Apple of Death. Every part of the tree contains toxic compounds, including powerful skin irritants found in its milky white sap. Simply brushing against the bark can cause painful blistering and chemical burns. During rainfall, water washing over the leaves can carry diluted sap, meaning sheltering beneath the tree may expose your skin to the irritants. Its small green fruits resemble harmless crab apples, and even smell sweet. However, eating the fruit can cause severe burning and swelling of the mouth and throat, creating a serious medical emergency. Historically, indigenous peoples in parts of the Caribbean are reported to have used the sap on arrow tips for hunting. One beautiful tree. That should never be underestimated. Water. Hemlock, North America's deadliest wild. At first glance, water hemlock looks harmless. Its white umbrella-shaped flowers resemble wild carrots or parsley. That resemblance makes it especially dangerous. The plant contains a toxin called toxin, concentrated mainly in its roots. Unlike many poisons that slowly affect the body, toxin attacks the central nervous system almost immediately. Symptoms can begin within minutes. Violent seizures, muscle spasms, confusion. And without rapid emergency treatment, poisoning can become life-threatening. Even livestock have been known to die shortly after consuming it. Foraging experts agree on one simple rule. If you aren't absolutely certain a wild plant is edible, don't eat it. 8. Rosary Pea. A beautiful seed with a deadly secret tiny. Bright red. Glossy. The seeds of the rosary pea have been used for centuries in jewelry and prayer beads, but hidden inside the hard shell is one of nature's most toxic proteins, abrin. If swallowed whole, the hard outer shell often passes through the digestive system intact. The real danger comes when the seed is cracked, chewed, or damaged. Abrin prevents cells from making the proteins they need to survive. As cells die, multiple organs can begin to fail. These attractive little seeds are a reminder that appearances can be dangerously misleading. 7. Oleander. The decorative killer. Oleander lines highways, parks, gardens, and neighborhoods around the world. Its colorful flowers make it one of the most popular ornamental shrubs. Yet every part of the plant contains toxic cardiac glycosides. These chemicals interfere with the electrical activity that controls the heartbeat. Even relatively small amounts can cause nausea, vomiting, dizziness, and potentially life-threatening heart rhythm disturbances. Smoke from burning oleander may also contain irritating and toxic compounds, so experts advise never burning its branches. Its beauty hides a powerful natural defense system. 6. Deadly Nightshade. The sweet berry that isn't sweet, deadly nightshade, has fascinated humans for centuries. Its shiny black berries look delicious. Ironically, they even taste sweet. That makes them particularly dangerous for children. The plant contains atropine and scopolamine, chemicals that interfere with the body's nervous system. Poisoning can produce dilated pupils, rapid heartbeat, hallucinations, confusion, and, in severe cases, Respiratory failure. During the Renaissance, extracts from the plant were reportedly used to enlarge pupils because wide eyes were considered fashionable. Beauty often comes at a price. 5. Angel's Trumpet. The flower of hallucinations. 615. 720. Angel's trumpet produces enormous hanging flowers and an unforgettable fragrance. But beneath that beauty lies an extremely powerful mix of toxic alkaloids. The plant contains large amounts of scopolamine and related compounds. Poisoning can cause severe confusion, hallucinations, memory loss, and dangerous delirium. Because of these effects, scopolamine has unfortunately been associated with certain criminal incidents, although many stories surrounding it have been exaggerated over the years. Regardless, every part of the plant is toxic and should never be consumed. 4. White snakeroot, the plant that changed American history. Unlike many poisonous plants, white snakeroot often harms people indirectly. When cattle graze on it, toxins can accumulate in their milk and meat. Historically, this caused an illness known as milk sickness, which claimed thousands of lives during the early American frontier. One of its most famous victims was Nancy Hanks Lincoln, the mother of Abraham Lincoln. Today, modern farming practices have made milk sickness extremely rare. 3. Foxglove. Medicine and poison. Foxglove's tall purple flowers brighten countless gardens. Inside the plant are chemicals called cardiac glycosides. Scientists eventually discovered that carefully purified and controlled versions inspired medicines used to treat certain heart conditions. But there's an enormous difference between medicine and poison. The amount matters. Consuming parts of the wild plant can cause dangerous heart rhythm problems and requires immediate medical attention. One of history's greatest medicines also comes from one of nature's most toxic flowers. 2. Monkshood. Poison through the skin. Monkshood, also called Wolfsbane, has a long history in myths and warfare. Its striking blue flowers conceal aconitine, one of the most dangerous plant toxins known. The toxin affects sodium channels that control nerve and muscle function. Exposure can cause tingling, numbness, dangerous heart rhythm disturbances, and paralysis. Handling the roots without protection has reportedly caused severe poisonings. Gardeners who grow monkshood should always wear protective gloves. 1. Castor Bean, the world's most poisonous common plant. Our number one spot belongs to the castor bean plant. It is grown worldwide because its seeds produce castor oil, which is widely used in cosmetics, medicine, and manufacturing. Commercial castor oil is safe because the toxic protein, ricin, is removed or destroyed during processing. The raw seeds, however, contain ricin, a protein that disrupts essential cellular functions. Chewed seeds can cause severe poisoning and require immediate emergency medical care. The plant gained worldwide attention after the 1978 assassination of Bulgarian writer Georgy Markov in London, when ricin was reportedly used in a famous umbrella attack. It's a chilling reminder that one of the world's most dangerous toxins can come from an ordinary-looking garden plant. Ending nature is breathtaking, but it can also be incredibly dangerous. These plants evolved their toxins as defenses against insects and animals, not humans. Still, knowing how to recognize them could help prevent a serious accident. If you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe for more fascinating stories about nature, science, and survival, and let us know in the comments which of these plants surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.